We're in the Painted Tree Woodland District in McKinney, Texas. This is an available for purchase Bloomfield house. It's a must-see, great price on this nice corner lot. You got all these different elevations, giving it a whole lot of interest. Along here, you can see the carriage lights, up lights, as well as the gutters, and this nice size covered entryway that's protected when you come in from the rain. Let's take a look inside. As we go through the house, you'll notice that they're finishing up the final details, but let's go in and get a sneak peek. As we enter, you'll notice the natural light coming down the entryway. The focal point is on the fireplace with all this tile going way up to the ceiling. Contemporary mantle. Nice, huge windows. Over here is the quartz countertop. Space for your legs when you're sitting on the stools. You'll be getting an updraft, as well as your stove here. And as you can see, there's drawers underneath. Dishwasher will be on the right of the sink. And here, it's a single basin. There's no separator. Nice for the bigger size pans when you're cleaning. Over here is your trash pullout. Walk-in pantry. You'll have your microwave and oven. And below the oven is another drawer. Your refrigerator, nice space to put your Keurig. Over here is a double door into the office space, or you could make it your reading room, study. Let's go back out. Let's take a look at the primary suite. I love the angle of the raised ceiling. And out here you have a curvature to your backyard that makes the primary suite feel like you're raised above and overlook to the trees. In here, double doors into the primary bathroom. Nice glass shower. Deep tub, frosted glass for privacy, dual sinks. And this toilet room has plenty of space around, doesn't feel cramped. That flows right into the closet. Nice size, racks all around. Plenty of space for all your clothes. Let's go back out to the main area. On the way to the staircase, this closet has a large space going back under the stairs. In this nook, you have some space for some seating, an art statue, a Christmas tree. Opposite of the stairs is your mud section / laundry room. Cabinets ready to go, hookups here. A nice touch is having a tile floor, which is easy to clean up when you're coming into your mudroom space. Electrical along the wall to be able to hook up a second refrigerator or freezer. Off of the entryway is your linen closet, your full bathroom, and your front bedroom. Double doors into the closet with a long rack along the side. Let's go over to the garage right off the entryway. Here's your 3-car garage. And in the garage is your tankless water heater. Let's go back inside. Back in from the garage, let's go upstairs. At the top of the stairs, the landing has a nice overlook to your main living space. Flowing right into your game room. Nice windows looking outside. Over here is your media room. Wired up with all your cable needs. It's got 5.1 surround sound pre-wired, ready for your speakers. Let's go this way. Right off the game room, you have your hall bath. Right off of that, you have this closet ready to store all your games for easy access in your game room. Here's one of the upstairs bedrooms with double doors into the closet. Right off the game room in this hall is your attic access, flowing into the next bedroom. With a wide closet. Flows into the vanity area of the bathroom, flowing into the shared toilet and shower space. Along the top of the shower, you have this frosted glass letting in the natural light, which then goes into the next vanity and into the next bedroom with double doors for the closet. And loops back around to the game room. Let's go outside. Along the main floor, we have this engineered hardwood that's easy to take care of and flows throughout the main story. Off of the kitchen space is this breakfast nook surrounded by windows and our exterior door to our covered patio. Nice touch on the ceiling. Got a nice sized backyard, plenty of space. Plenty of space to plant some trees. Nice drainage. And the slope going over here gives a lot of depth to your yard, providing a lot of visual interest. If this home and community interests you, reach out and we can schedule a private showing. If you want to know more about the Painted Tree community, take a look at this video. This home is almost ready, so you'll want to get in quick.